Namaskar, I am Kapil Bhargav. I am from Jaipur. My whole family was tested COVID positive on 30th of April this year. My family consisting of me, my wife, my sister, my mother and my son. My younger son, he works in Gurgaon. He was not there at that time. And that is a day, evening, my position became critical. And so I was taken care of for a couple of days at home. But on 6th, when situation became little worse, I was shifted to CK Birla Hospital. So when I came to this hospital in the evening, right, I was COVID positive and I got it here in the evening. I was given a great care. I was taken to the COVID ward. By the time I reached COVID ward, right, I was literally on the verge of collapse. I have immense gratitude for Dr. Ambrish, whom I met. He is a doctor. After seeing my condition, with a lot of smile on his face, he gave me hope. A good doctor is a doctor in spite of critical situation, when he gives you a smile and gives you a lot of hope. And hope can only be given by courage, and the courage can only be given by wisdom. So doctor said, I could really literally sense what my situation is all about. I told my doctor, I believe in you. I believe in this hospital. I believe in myself. I believe in my positive attitude. I will support entire staff. I will support everyone. I will support everyone. So I just pray to the Almighty with the blessings of my dear ones, my parents. I placed to myself, I now entered inside, right? I will change this COVID situation with my efforts into poison into medicine. I took full responsibility of my taking care of my food, medicines, supporting the doctor, whatever they said, I started doing it. Days parted, 1 day passed, 2 days passed, 3 days passed. One day in the morning, the doctor came to me and they said, you have to go in for a dialysis. I was not taking a shock. I thought it is my karma. So he said, this process will take 5 or 6 days as there is some infection because of the medicine you are taking. I really prayed to the Almighty. I prayed and prayed. And then I never lost a single day where I didn't encourage anyone. So that is the day when they said the dialysis will be taken care of. In the evening, they told me the dialysis has been ruled out. In the morning, they told me my creatinine has gone to 9.6. But next day, when my report came, it came back to normal. So after that, so many tests were taken, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8 tests, but all the time the reports were coming positive. So what happened one day at 7 o'clock, I was taking my dinner. I am a diabetic. Although my diabetes was under control, but that day, after my dinner, I started sweating. It was extensive sweat, cold sweat, and my clothes were all wet. I was immediately rushed to double ICU, where doctor took great care of me the whole night. I am very, very thankful to my doctors who really took care of me. And yes, my saturation came back to 99. Same day, I was shifted to isolation IC unit with great care. Wherever I went, in the ward, the staff, the nurses, the doctor, they took great care of me. The action was very, very swift, whether it was the X-ray, whether it was a report. So I was shifted to isolation unit, ICU isolation unit there, and there immediately, the entire staff swung into action. And I could literally see that ICU, where there was a lot of patient of COVID, in a very critical state, they were not in the census. I only prayed for their happiness, that they come back because I only believe in one thing. When you believe in the happiness of others, the true happiness lies in the happiness of others, and the main happiness is that when you work for the happiness of others. I prayed for them, So I was there for 9 days. It was great care where everybody, I was on the oxygen. I was on the oxygen on 16 liters. Whatever doctor said, you sleep in this direction, you sleep in that direction, I followed that. I want so many friends up there. One of the Dr. Vikash Sharma, the support staff, Sachin was there. There was a nurse, Gloria was there. One day she told me in the night at 9 o'clock, ki, Kapil sir, whenever I come in the morning, I take blood from your hand. Don't you think it is very, very painful? So I told her with a smile, ki, when we give a rose flower to somebody, we never think of the thorn. So it is your duty. I know that you are doing it for my welfare. So I spoke to the parents of so many staff over there, because I know something, ki working in the COVID department is something very, very courageous, and the staff is very courageous. I would really like to tell about the staff, the doctors, and everybody about CK Birla Hospital. They are so dedicated, they are so motivated, and the selection of the staff, the appearance, the way they talk, the way they make their report, and I was really saw one day when one of the patient was airlifted to Hyderabad with great care and the teamwork. They had done it, And then I was 6 days back. I was shifted to another ward, So in that ward, Dr. Kapil, the physiotherapist, the last 6-7 days, he gave me hope the very first day when he came here. And he said, you take a determination. Yes, I have to stand on my foot. My oxygen will be mobilized. I will have strength and I will go back joyfully within 7 days. What a hope he has given to me, And Dr. Ankur Gehlot, another very important doctor who was taking care of my diabetes in spite of his busy schedule. He used to come to me daily and monitoring my diabetes. I am very, very thankful to Ridhima ma'am, the way she is taking care of, the discipline, the support, and managing the things, it has really touched me, And above all, the intake given by my dietitian, I mean, she used to come to me. She used to come to me every day in the morning at 8 o'clock, manage my diet, and she always tried her level best to give me the food of her choice. When you are strong, when you are invincible, when you are strong from the core of your heart, you can face any situation in your life. Any situation can come in your life, whatever may be. It was when my family was tested corona positive. It was on 3rd of May morning. My mother passed away. She passed away in the sleep. She had only one mission in life, that I will go away right without bothering anyone. My sister and me and my wife, we were in COVID situation. We were admitted in the hospital. It was on 13th. She was admitted there. My wife, my sister and my son was admitted there in the hospital. At 8:45 in the evening, in the night, she had a lung failure. She passed away. This news came to me by my doctors in CK Birla Hospital. When I got this news, I saw the doctors, 2-3 doctors were they were surrounding me. So I just told them, ki why at this time it's 8 o'clock in the morning. So they told me, ki Kapil, you have to be strong. I said, I am very, very strong. But the message they gave it to me about my sister, that you have to be strong as your sister is no more now. So had it had been other situation, I would have been in some other situation. But I faced the situation very boldly. I told for myself, I will now carry the mission what my elder sister carried for me and my mother. So this is a situation where you lost two of your dear family members, your sister and your dear ones, and your wife is fighting, your son is fighting, yourself is fighting. So I will only say in the end, when I was fighting, I never left any stone unturned where it did not made people motivated. So keep on doing, keep motivating people. So this is what I will only say for in the last, where there is a will, there is a way. If you have a determination, right, you can change your biggest and biggest hardship of your life. I will only give a message to everyone. Do not look at the past. Never look on the future. Look for the day. Respect your love. You respect everyone. Respect your parents. Because the life is totally based on the law of cause and effect. As you sow, shall you reap. If your positives are more than the negatives, even the karma is at your doorsteps, it will not touch you. But if your negatives are more than the positive ones, right, if the karma is 10,000 away from you, you cannot avoid them. So it is totally based on us how we take the life forward. So be brave, be strong, and I'm 100% sure all the best for everyone all across the world. Thank you.